Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to record your screen using PowerPoint. Did you know that you can record your computer screen and related audio and then embed the video in your PowerPoint slide or even save it as a MP4 format? Well, let's get going. In order to start recording the video screen using PowerPoint, simply go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and you will see on the right side, screen recording. Click this, and now this will bring up this control box. By default, it will record your pointer and also audio, and you can deselect these two if you do not want those to be recorded. In my case, for this demo purpose, we'll leave both on. Next, let's select the area that we want to record. Click that and now you see my mouse pointer changed to this plus sign. And now I will make my selection and I'll try to capture my desktop. So now I am satisfied with my recording screen area. And now let's get going. Let's hit the record button and it will do a countdown. And now the PowerPoint is recording my screen. Let me bring up the calculator. Do some math. 9 times 9 is 81. And let's also bring Notepad. Thank you for watching. Okay, let's stop this recording. And now the video file has been embedded into your PowerPoint slide. Let's go ahead and quickly look at what was recorded by hitting the play button down here. And now the PowerPoint is recording my screen. You can skip forward and you can see here was the calculator app that we launched, and then I'm launching Notepad using the run command, and you can kind of see what was done in the video. And also keep note that it also recorded my audio, so I'll go on mute for watching. Okay, let's stop this recording. So yeah, it's interesting me talking on both videos, but anyway, you get the idea. What else? Yes, you can also trim this video, make it shorter. The way to do that is right-clicking on it and select up here. Select the trim, and you can see you can trim the video, and that's the only way you can trim it, the beginning and the end, but you can't kind of split the screen because this PowerPoint recorder is not really meant for editing videos. It's just a simple recorder. But let's go ahead and trim this. And now my video is trimmed. And you can also lastly save this file or this video file as a MP4 format. In order to do that, right click on the video file, save media as, and you can see it is saving it as a MP4 file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel. I will keep posting more how-to tips and tricks, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.